Going to start already. Good morning, y'all. It's almost fall and I can't wait. Tired of this 100-degree weather. I say it every day. Monday, it's going to be 80 degrees. So not 107, not 109. Thank God. Okay, so we're going to switch down here. Let's see. Okay. This is Pam, PJ McGann. That's the channel. If you search for it, okay, PJ McGann. The name of this channel is The Truth, okay, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about other channels and we'll get to it. Raising the Grands is another channel, and it's just what it says. We're raising our grandchildren and how we got there and how we survived. Then we got Cargo to Camper, and that's we just bought a cargo trailer, and we're going to turn it into a tiny camper. It is a 7x16, and with the V-nose, we get another almost 2 feet, so 7x18. Then Bible chair, I'm going to start that up in probably October or November to coincide with the holidays and gratefulness. RV life will fall into Cargo to Camper, and then Raising the Grands. And then we'll also be taking our own RV out. So if you need to get a hold of me, I'm not going to do my phone number anymore because I'm getting odd phone calls. Friends, though, I am from Facebook, I am doing the texts so we can do the application, the EIDL grants and loans application. So my email address is hopedealer, not drug dealer, hope dealer, ideal hope, 777 is for human, divine human, and the extra 7 because it was already taken, believe it or not. Hope Dealer 777 was taken, so I had to get Hope Dealer 7777 47s@gmail.com. So I will be keeping a close eye on that Gmail account, and I will get to everyone. I promise you. Some people it's taken 2 days. We're getting a lot of calls, a lot of texts, and a lot of emails. So, okay, I'm going to switch it back up. So everybody loves a whiteboard. I'm seeing this. Everybody loves a whiteboard. So what is the truth about? The truth is about breaking news, regular news. Financial applications will be included in that. Financial application help, EIDL application help, PPP, voter ballot tracking. We can also help you get your voter's registration. It's important for everybody to vote. You should be heard, especially this year. Okay, the truth. Right now, of course, our big story constantly since March is stimulus check. I released a video last night that my good friend Walter Wayburn released. $3 billion is sitting in an account, left over from the CARES Act, not doing anything. I don't even know if it's left over from the CARES Act. I don't think anybody said that but me. But anyway, it's $3 billion. I don't know how it got there. I don't want to know how it got there. But President Trump said last night, let's get this done. And I thought we had to wait for the Senate to sign off on it. He's going to try to get the Senate to sign off on it. But if they don't, it's going to be an executive order. And he's sending us stimulus checks out of this $3 billion. And you know Nancy Pelosi's not going to agree with it because he's not giving it to illegal aliens. And he's not giving to people in jail. And he's not letting people out of jail to get their checks. So, I mean, those 3 things are like common sense. I don't get that. Why we would, do any of those 3 things. But anyway, that's just my opinion. And remember, people, that's my opinion. I will get into the immigrant thing later on. I'm not against immigrants. My grandparents were immigrants, but there are some things that are done that I don't like. So anyway, other channels we have, once again, we have The Truth, we have Raising the Grands, we have Cargo to Camper, Bible Chair, and RV Life. RV Life is going to roll over into Cargo to Camper and Raising the Grands. Raising the Grands is going to end up being a hilarious show. If you can get by the initial story, then, okay. Now, these are the projected days, and I haven't stuck to it, but I'm going to now. Stimulus is daily. So I'm going to start doing a stimulus daily now that I learned how to do it without showing myself. Because on days you don't feel good, you guys, I see some of the YouTubers, they roll out of bed, their hair's messed up. They look fine. If I did that, I'd scare you. You'd be like, oh, hell no, I'm not watching that ugly mutt. So, we got to prep and do this. And, I'm raising the grands. I don't feel like getting all dialed up. So now I'll just focus on different things in the house or nature or whatever. And you can check that out while you're listening to me. Okay, so stimulus is daily. RTG, raising the grands. That's weekly. Unless something really funny happens, we'll add something else. Camper to cargo is as my husband gets a milestone, then we'll go ahead and we'll do that. We'll do a video on that. Right now, I have a studio in the back that's supposed to be for this, and he took my, I picked out brand new, gorgeous gray wall panel, and he hated it. Well, now it's in his cargo to camper. But I said it would look good on the wall, so he threw it up, and it looks great. And he's going to do the ceiling white. It's going to be gorgeous. So cargo to camper is most likely 3 times a week, but unless something else happens. Today I am going to do an unpacking. We constantly got boxes coming in. The electrical. We got the fantastic fan. We got the air unit. We decided to go with one of those. We've got a bunch of stuff that came in, and I think it would be interesting if we open them up. Okay, there's the dogs. They're all conked out. They're supposed to get groomed the other day, and dropped them off at 7 o'clock in the morning, came back at 4, and they weren't done. Anyway, oh, poor me. Okay, so if you have an application of any kind that you need to fill out and you're having difficulty with, email me, send me the form, and we'll do it online on YouTube video. So we'll go over line for line, or if it's a personal one, we won't do that online. But if it's a common one that other people need, I will do it on a YouTube video and show other people how to fill it out. And if I don't know how, I'll call the company and ask them. If it's food stamps, I'll call them. How do we do this to, not mess it up and get approved and all that good stuff. So most of the time, that's all you have to do is make that phone call, and they'll tell you word for word what to put in there. But I know some people don't like making the phone call, just like guys don't like asking for directions. Women don't like calling saying, I don't know how to do this form. So, okay, anyway, on to the next thing. We are going to put this up. This gives you an idea of what we're doing. I have a EIDL tutorial on this whiteboard going up. I'm going to do it today because I have a birthday party for the kids. It's a dual surprise birthday party for Brian and Michelle. And I got to get that together. And I have a couple of applications I have to do. So we're going to do one application online to show people how to do it. And I will have it listed by Monday at 5. I may have it listed today. I'm going to try my best. Okay, very good. Thank you. Have a God bless day. And this is PJ McGann at The Truth.